I set her up on automated emails within her price range so that she wouldn't miss anything that came on the market. And she was like, I just got a house that came up on the market in my email, like an auto email that comes up. And I was like, great, well, let's go see it. Let's go try and see it and see if we can get in right away. So then I went to schedule it, and it was a go-in show. So thankfully we could go see it right away. I didn't have to have an appointment required. So then it was probably like 2 minutes away. So we went to the house. She fell in love instantly with it. And we wrote an offer within probably like an hour of hitting the market. And so the seller actually accepted her offer. Yeah, so the listing agent, he texted me and he said, your buyer is really lucky because we got an offer come in right after we accepted yours for way more over asking. And I was like, well, we got really lucky, and my buyer is excited. So yeah, and then it ended up closing, and we keep in contact all the time. And then whenever Christmas time came around, because she got her house in October, so it wasn't that much farther away, it was Christmas. I dropped her off the ornament, and it was fun. So I got to see her and her dogs and how her house was looking. So it was really cool. We became close after that, and we maintained contact ever since. I talked to her 2 days ago, so we became close after she closed. I always make sure to keep good contact with all my clients, but she was like a really special client to me because we did become so close, and I was happy that everything worked out for her. And it was her first home, so she was just so excited.